Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead get signed up right there in your DoorDash app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, tap on that app, make sure you have downloaded it and install the app right there. As soon as you tap on that app, you will be able to find this kind of interface where you can have these options for you to get signed up. So if you want to go with the tap on this continue with email, where you will have to enter your email, your password, and you will create your account. Otherwise, you can go ahead, tap on this continue with Google, Facebook, and continue with Apple ID as well. So continue with email. Now you will add your email, tap on continue to sign up, or you can go ahead, simply go ahead, continue with Google where your email already exists, right? Go ahead, choose a account, and you will have to add in your number, choose the country code, choose the country, enter the number. Once you're adding your number, go ahead, tap on the sign up option. As you can see, you will go ahead, tap on this continue option right there, and you're good to go. You'll simply be able to, as you can see, you'll simply be able to get signed up right there in your DoorDash app right over there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.